Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another MH Guide video where I unbox the Boat Rockers 550. If you want to listen to music on headphones on a budget, then there are a lot of headphones in the market that you can choose from. And here I have one of those budget headphones that are one of the most popular in the market right now, the Boat Rockers 550. Since there are a lot of budget headphones, choosing between them to get the best experience might get a little confusing, especially the Boat lineup itself where there are a few different choices that are available to choose from. Having experience of using the Boat 400 and now the Boat 550, I can hopefully provide you some insight and clarity in your purchase. I'll be straight up with telling you my experience with it, so let's get going on into the video. Let's start with the unboxing. The box contains nothing out of the ordinary, having the headphones, a USB to micro USB cable, an aux cable and some paperwork and a Boat sticker. These headphones start off as big. You hold them in the hand and it's got a little bit of weight into it. These are not lightweight headphones but aren't uncomfortable to wear. More on that later in the later parts of the video, but now here the ear cups are swivel type, moving only in one direction. These help you staying in low when you rest them on your neck. The swivel itself is made out of plastic and the foam here is quite soft. There is a bit of cushioning here in the headband and the headbands are extendable quite a lot. You'll find the control buttons on the right ear cup and the charging port and the audio jack on the right side as well. The color on the headphones are very attractive, easily one of the best parts about them. It makes them stand out of the crowd. There are a variety of finishes Boat is offering and these are some of the most interesting choices we've seen. The texture in the back replicates a mesh finish and has the branding of Boat right in the middle of it. The plastic build makes it feel fragile. I have to be very careful in placing them or accidentally keeping stuff on them. However, there are no creaking sounds present on the headphones and the weight is well distributed. There are three buttons on the ear cup, which are the power button, the volume up and down. Pressing these have a finicky feel to them and the ear foam have this material which I think isn't going to last very long. Setting up is easy, it's the same as any other Bluetooth device, and about the connection time on your successive uses is almost immediately as you turn on your phone's Bluetooth. On some rare occasions the sound muted and rebooting the connection did not work and we had to wait a few minutes before it started working again. Sound quality is where they deliver a good experience. There is a good amount of lows and mids, excellent clarity, a little less on the highs and an ample amount of bass. One thing I have noticed is that you have to have more volume to get sufficient audio levels compared to other headphones. For calls, the built-in mic provides clear sound and gets the job done. I need mentioning here that the calls through the aux cable cannot be done since the aux cable doesn't have a mic. Since these are over-ear headphones, wearing them over long periods becomes possible. You can easily get through a 2-hour movie without any pain in your ears or nauseating feels. It's not too much heavy on the head also and it makes movements of the heads easier. The music from these leak at 70 to 80% volume and the person sitting next to you can easily hear what's playing. And the passive noise isolation in these suppresses the ambient noise and it muffles out what others are saying. It's not obviously as good as active noise cancelling, but it's okayish at best. Now talking about the battery life, it's easily the best part about it as the battery lasts as advertised. A full charge can easily last you 5 to 6 days with medium use and that's while being on Bluetooth, whereas you can go even higher with an aux cable. The attractive finishes, the excellent battery life and the good sound quality makes the Boat 550 a worthy pair of headphones. However, the drawbacks in the build quality and the trades made here and there is what you need to keep in mind before making this purchase. I have more videos about other pairs of headphones and speakers. You can check them out on my channel for your better purchase. I would highly appreciate if you leave a like in the video and comment down below and consider subscribing because I'll be uploading more about headsets in the coming days. As always, thanks for watching, take care and I'll see you guys in the next video.